just a quick little video on how to access the items that your student has handed in and perhaps some things that they are missing. So once you go into the mainframe of our Google Classroom, you'll notice that depending on which class your student's in, they will have access to the Gandy Grade 4s, Madame Marie Fellon's, Mrs. Rodych if you're in my class, and perhaps another class or two that they have access to. So this is a neat little feature. This is called the to-do list. So if you click on this tab, it will give you, and you can actually refine it, so if you only want to look in one of the classes, you can. It will give you all the upcoming things that are being assigned. These ones are no due date, so we want things. So for example, this week, these are all things, they're in green. We haven't assigned them yet, but they are upcoming, okay? If you want to see what they're missing, click at the top where it says missing, and you'll get a list of things that your student needs to complete. These are always highlighted in red, and it'll give you the date when they were due and the time in which they were due. And you can expand, and you can see that there's a number of things here. You can also look at last week and then beyond last week of things that were due. If you click on Done, it tells you everything that this student has shared and has entered in, things that had no due date, things that were entered this week, things and different scores of things. So it gives you a whole vast array of information here. Very handy, helps you kind of organize, keep track of things. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to shoot myself or Mrs. Deering an email. We'd be happy to help. Thanks so much.